How's it going, YouTube? Today I want to talk about the Ropey Racing Aero Kit. And while this isn't a video review for the Ropey kit, that will be later, I'm going to show you how to put the cross bracing cables on the wing. I've added this threaded rod. I thought this would work really well, but it did not. Here is everything you will need for the installation. 8 washers, 4 of the eye bolts, 8 nuts, shrink wrap, vacuum caps, and 4 ferrules, I believe they're called. Also vice grips, scissors, and a drill with a Christmas tree bit on it. And next we're going to remount these 4 holes with the Christmas tree drill bit to a 1/4 inch. This one, this one, this one, and this one. The first end, put the cable through the ferrule and crimp it with the vice grips. Don't forget to add the eye bolt in there or you will have to start over. Put your first eye bolt with 2 nuts and 2 washers on both sides through the top hole. Once that's set, you can loop 2 things of shrink wrap and another eye bolt. Make sure to have your eye bolts all the way in. And then pull the tail of the wire and just use your vice grips or pliers to put a light crimp onto it. It's going to be the same thing for the other side. In your loop, you have the ferrule first, and then the eye bolt in the middle of the loop, and the tail through the other side. Just like that. Super easy. We have all 4 on now. Should look like this. You have the tails on the bottom, your 2 pieces of shrink wrap on each side, and 4 ferrules that are lightly crimped. You can now remove the cables with the eye bolt and use a hammer to smash them down, or you can use the crimping tool to crimp those without having to remove them. Right, got that all permanently crimped, so this is a good opportunity to cut off the tail of the wire. Once all that's done, you can put the eye bolts back in, pull it and bolt it into place. Slip the bottom piece of heat shrink over the ferrule and the cut, and then spark it up. And there you have it, all done. Now this thing is so solid, it will not flex laterally at all. I think the shrink wrap gave it such a very finished professional look.